All right, what's up everybody? In this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put together this little office chair I have here. This is the ergonomic office chair by a company called, I think it's called Rootman. And this is the ErgoPlus8 chair. And I'll just kind of like break down what you get with the chair. I just took it all out of the box. I didn't want to just show you guys a box. You get the instructions here, and the instructions have like a diagram of all the parts and pieces you're supposed to have and a breakdown on how to do it. Right here, the bottom part, the seat, the two arms, a headrest, a backrest, and an ergo support. Those are the legs and the up and down adjustment, the little casters, and a set of hardware, and that's all the hardware you get with it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together real quick. I'll do a kind of a test and tell you exactly what I think of the chair, how I feel about it, and what it feels like to sit in it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing together. All right, everybody, there it is. I've got the chair completely put together. Check it out. Assembly was really easy. You had this labeled, everything was labeled, was very easy to put on. It basically has the instructions here. The instruction calls out what screw goes where. You have two screws that go in there, and there's caps that go over them. Two screws there. You screw the base in. Pretty simple. I had it together in maybe 15 minutes. This chair is extremely comfortable. It's got a headrest that adjusts up and down right here. It goes in and out. There's a lumbar support right here. This is a very tough mesh material that's like a non-slip. The arms lift up and down, spins around. You know, it's easy to get in and out of. It's got an adjustment right here that lifts up, and then it tightens right here. If you want to tighten it, you can tighten it up right there on the recline. So it does recline back. I've been needing a chair for my setup here. When I do my editing, I have my setup, and I wanted like a more firmer chair. The other one that I had just kind of like lived its life. So this is one of these items, you don't know you need it, and then when you get it, you realize what you've been missing. Highly recommend this chair. This is something I think every office needs, is a good office chair. That's all I got today on the ErgoPlus8 office chair. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.